very complicated nation, and you have the big tech giants in California and big finance in New York. But when it comes to dams, what are the challenges you faced? How have you seen the industry go in your 8 years at Stantec and now at Dam Safety Services? How do you see it moving?
Yeah, dams operate on geologic time. So they're forever assets, I like to call them. We plan, some of them are decommissioned and do have lifespans, especially in the tailings industry and the mining industry. But in general, we build dams to last a lifetime, so to speak. And these dams have mostly been built historically, in the 70s and the 60s and prior. And so they're aging. And these dams require constant maintenance and monitoring. And really, we haven't had the technology to do that until today. And so our cell phones, these magic little devices that we all carry with us, are making this possible to apply technology to dams to do things that humans can't do, to be there when we can't be there. So, those innovations from the tech industry are propagating through the dam safety industry and making it where we can put monitors on every piezometer to make these readings on an hourly basis or after an earthquake even faster. And so those technology advances wouldn't be possible without, the advances in the tech industry. And I think in civil engineering, and especially what I like to do is I like to take technologies that exist and are being applied in other industries and then just try to apply them to civil engineering. And I think, there's a big opportunity for others to do that as well, because these technologies enable us to be superhuman and do things that typically you wouldn't be able to do, just by visually looking, or even if you paid someone to live on the site, like most of or a lot of the dam owners in California do. They have someone that lives there, and they're very important. There's nothing like a set of human eyes, but they also aren't able to measure to picostrain or very small amounts of movement or accelerations. So we have to have these instruments to supplement that. But I think that's where I see it is supplementing what we have before and bringing maybe an industry that has been developed and was implemented in the past to today.
Yep, I think my biggest takeaway from that is really taking what's there in the tech industry, other industries, and bring it to our industry. And I think the second main point that he said was that every site has humans, but to measure these minor accelerations, minor settlements, minor changes in strain, you need devices, but what do you even do with that data from devices? So now we really have the compute, we have the internet, we have mobile phones, like you said, to really make sense of that data and make decisions. So I think those are very, very good things that people have already started implementing. But I'm excited for the next 3, 4, 5 years to really see what new things people bring to the civil engineering industry.